What's up, people? On the wind down here in beautiful Pattaya Beach, Thailand. I mean, it's been really a cool stay, and I suggest that anytime that you out here, that you come to Pattaya and uh, and just relax. And look at the babies; they're so cute. Um, and do your thing here because one thing about Pattaya, Thailand is that it's chill, it's relaxing, and you know, Thailand don't owe me nothing, man. So I just, if you want to find a place to kind of duck off and do your thing, and yeah, I say that I like to throw numbers up in there. So I say if you got about 10 bands and a ticket already bought, Thailand, you good for over a year. Especially if you ain't reckless and you don't need to drink a lot, smoke a lot, and party a lot, and you ain't buying a lot of you know what. I think that easy over a year with 10 bands. Easy. Like with a good life. Straight up, I ain't lying. So if you're doing it's a difficult job right now and you're able to put some money to the side, I would say Pattaya, Thailand in general, definitely a wonderful choice for a lifestyle arbitrage. And I'm gonna keep going through Asia. I'm gonna just keep on going, keep on experiencing different parts of Asia right now in my life, and I take y'all along for the journey. Um, Couple things I say: to do's, don't do's. Don't waste a lot of money. It's not necessary. Don't overly spend on things that you don't need to overly spend on. In other words, don't get expensive car rides when you only need to catch the bus. It's not unless you have a big family, you need to get a bus or something like that. Just just take the taxi, or I mean, just take a bus or the train. Travel light, man. I mean, I know it said before, at the risk of sounding redundant, travel light. Don't bring a lot of junk with you, man. I honestly, I think that I had it set up when I first was getting ready to come, and I messed around and got a bigger piece of luggage, and man, I paid the price, man, because it didn't bother me that much initially right now because I don't go hardly anywhere, and everywhere I've been going lately, most of the time, is I had a taxi. But I would say the times that I had to go on a train and stuff, man, I wish I had a small, just two. I wish I just had two book bags. So go with that. Two book bags, or a book bag and a saddle bag, or a shoulder bag, or duffel bag, or something like that, man. Something you can carry on your body easily. Don't put yourself in no bind, man. Don't carry no shit because really, man, I really was thinking like I needed about 5 pair of shorts. Not really. You're gonna need 5 pair of drawers, 5 t-shirts. You don't need 5 pair of shorts. You know. And then as far as women, as far as maybe women might need something more because they, I can't speak for no woman. I don't know what they need, but as a man, literally, man, you wear jean shorts like me, you know, then you could literally get you wear them every day, you know, or at least half the week and wash them. Just bring like 2 pair. You don't really need a lot of stuff, to be honest with you, man. So don't travel light, and then do a lot of research. I wish y'all the best, man. I stayed at the Amazon residence when I was here. This is the sign. It's a little bit off the beaten path, but it's all good, And you guys, you want some banana? Anything? You want? Yeah. I have. You want some? No, you good? Okay. Okay.